Have you ever thought about what your wellness goals truly are? In our daily hustle, we often forget the importance of setting clear health and wellness goals. We're so caught up in the race of life, we forget that our mind, not just our body, plays a crucial role in achieving these goals. Imagine your mind as a compass, guiding you through the dense forest of life, and the affirmations, they are your coordinates. They are powerful tools that help in shaping our mindset and, in turn, our reality. Affirmations, the positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts, can guide you towards your wellness goals. They are not just sentences but powerful declarations of intent. As you embark on this journey, remember, your mind is the most powerful tool you possess. Use it wisely. Affirmations can be the stepping stones towards your ultimate wellness destination. You might be wondering, how do affirmations actually work? Well, let's dive into the science behind this transformative practice. At the heart of affirmations is the power of the mind. The human brain, a marvel of evolution, has the capacity to shape our perception of reality. It can change how we feel, how we act, and ultimately, how we live. Affirmations act as a tool to harness this power, enabling us to consciously direct our thoughts towards positivity and health. Affirmations work on the principle of neuroplasticity, a term coined by neuroscientists to describe the brain's ability to change and adapt. When we repeatedly affirm something as true, we create new neural pathways in our brain. Over time, these pathways become stronger, and the affirmed beliefs become our default thought patterns. This is the same process through which habits are formed and sustained. Now, let's talk about some studies that shed light on the effectiveness of affirmations. A research study published in the Journal of American Medical Association in 2014 found that self-affirmation can improve medication adherence in chronically ill patients. Another study published in the Journal of Psychological Science in 2016 showed that affirmations can effectively reduce stress and improve problem-solving abilities under pressure. These are just two among numerous studies that have demonstrated the positive impact of affirmations on health and wellness. Affirmations also have a profound psychological impact. They help to combat negative self-talk and self-doubt, which are often the root causes of stress and anxiety. By replacing these destructive thoughts with positive affirmations, we can foster self-confidence, improve our mood, and promote a more optimistic outlook on life. The physiological benefits of affirmations are equally compelling. When we engage in positive self-talk, our body responds by releasing endorphins, the feel-good hormones. This leads to a reduction in physical stress and a boost in overall well-being. Furthermore, affirmations can help us to tap into the mind-body connection, enabling us to influence physical processes like heart rate and blood pressure through our thoughts. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of affirmations is not a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Just as each of us is unique, so too is our response to affirmations. Some people might experience profound changes quickly, while others may need more time and repetition. What's crucial is the consistency and belief in the process. In summary, affirmations work by reprogramming our brain to cultivate positive thought patterns. They help to combat negativity, boost our mood, and improve our physical health. Numerous scientific studies have validated the effectiveness of affirmations in promoting health and wellness. As science shows, affirmations can indeed lead to substantial improvements in our health and wellness. So, why not give it a try? After all, the power of transformation lies within us, waiting to be unlocked. Now, you might be thinking, what affirmations should I use? Let's dive into 15 examples of I am affirmations, designed to boost your health and well-being. As we journey through these affirmations, allow the calm and soothing vibrations of my voice to create a tranquil atmosphere, encouraging the seeds of health and wellness to take root within your consciousness. First off, start by saying, I am in perfect health. This simple yet powerful affirmation sets a positive tone, reinforcing your belief in your body's ability to maintain and restore health. Next, I am nourishing my body with healthy food. This affirmation reminds us of the importance of feeding our bodies with the right nutrients, promoting physical health and vitality. Third, I am strong and full of energy. This affirmation boosts your inner strength and energy, providing you with the vitality needed to tackle your daily tasks. Fourth, I am committed to a healthy and active lifestyle. By affirming your commitment to health and fitness, you foster a positive mindset towards exercise and physical activity. The fifth affirmation is, I am in control of my health and wellness. This affirmation empowers you, reminding you that you have the power to make choices that benefit your health. Moving on to the sixth affirmation, I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. The act of expressing gratitude for your body encourages a positive body image, promoting overall well-being. Seventh, I am embracing a peaceful and restful sleep. This affirmation supports the importance of sleep in maintaining our health, helping to ensure that we are well rested and rejuvenated each day. Eighth, I am healing and rejuvenating my body every day. This affirmation promotes the belief in the body's natural ability to heal and renew itself. The ninth affirmation is, I am letting go of unhealthy habits. This affirmation supports your commitment to breaking free from any unhealthy habits that may be hindering your health and well-being. 10th, I am attracting positive energy into my body. This affirmation encourages a positive mindset, attracting good health and wellness into your life. 11th, I am confident in my body's ability to heal. This affirmation enhances your trust in your body's natural healing abilities, promoting recovery and wellness. 12th, I am releasing stress and tension from my body. This affirmation supports your efforts to manage stress, promoting relaxation and peace of mind. The 13th affirmation is, I am embracing the natural rhythms of my body. This affirmation encourages you to listen to your body, understanding and respecting its natural rhythms and needs. 14th, I am loving and respecting my body. This affirmation promotes self-love and respect, fostering a positive relationship with your body. Finally, the 15th affirmation is, I am in harmony with my body, mind, and spirit. This affirmation supports the balance and harmony between physical health, mental well-being, and spiritual balance. These affirmations can serve as your daily mantra, guiding you towards better health. Remember, the power of affirmations lies in repetition and belief. So, repeat these affirmations regularly, believe in their power, and watch as they manifest into your reality. So, when is the best time to say these affirmations? You may wonder if there's an optimal moment to practice affirmations. Well, the truth is, there's no universal perfect time that works for everyone. However, there are certain moments throughout your day that might lend themselves well to this practice. Firstly, consider practicing affirmations as part of your morning routine. As you rise, still nestled in the soft echo of sleep, your mind remains open, receptive, and free of the day's clutter. By affirming positive thoughts first thing, you set a positive tone for your day, essentially programming your mind to maintain that positivity. Secondly, consider incorporating affirmations into your nightly routine. As you prepare for sleep, your mind begins to quieten, making it an opportune time to plant the seeds of positive thought. As you rest, these seeds can germinate in your subconscious, influencing your dreams and your mood upon waking. Now, let's talk about the benefits of affirmations. Practicing affirmations can lead to remarkable improvements in your mental and physical health. Affirmations can boost your mood, increase feelings of self-worth, and even improve physical health by reducing stress and anxiety. In fact, research has shown that positive affirmations can lessen the harm of stress on the immune system, making you more resilient to illness. But is it better to listen to affirmations or to say them out loud? Well, both methods have their merits. Listening to affirmations, especially when paired with soothing music, can be a relaxing and passive way to absorb positive messages. It's a great method for those who may struggle with focus or find it hard to quiet the internal chatter. On the other hand, saying affirmations out loud can be more impactful. When you hear your own voice affirming positivity, it can be more convincing to your subconscious mind. It's a bit like hearing a compliment from someone else versus giving yourself a pat on the back. Both feel good, but there's something especially powerful about acknowledging your own worth in your own voice. So, should you listen or speak your affirmations? The answer is, why not both? Mix and match to suit your mood, your environment, and your personal preference. Remember, the goal is to consistently feed your mind with positivity, and the method of delivery is secondary to the message itself. As you go about your day, seize moments of quiet, of pause, of reflection to practice your affirmations. It might be while you're waiting for your coffee to brew, during a break at work, or even when you're stuck in traffic. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. The more you practice, the more you'll notice changes in your thoughts, your feelings, and your overall health. So why wait? Start affirming your way to better health today. Ever heard of the law of attraction? It's a profound concept that suggests we have the power to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. In essence, it states that all thoughts turn into things eventually, and if you focus on negative doom and gloom, you will remain under that cloud. But if you focus on positive thoughts and have goals that you aim to achieve, you will find a way to achieve them with massive action. So, where do affirmations fit into this? Well, affirmations serve as your conscious thoughts that can influence your subconscious mind. When you verbalize something and repeat it to yourself, you're feeding that thought into your subconscious. This is a beautiful marriage with the law of attraction because what you focus on expands. When you're constantly repeating your affirmations, you're magnetizing it to your reality. Think of your affirmations as the seeds of your desires and the law of attraction as the soil. When you plant these seeds and nurture them with consistent, positive, and focused thoughts, they can grow into reality. Moreover, the law of attraction isn't just about attracting good health or wealth. It's about creating a holistic balance in all aspects of your life. That's where health affirmations come into play. They help you focus on your well-being, which is a critical aspect of a balanced life. Remember, the law of attraction works best when you believe in your affirmations, when you feel them, and when you live in the end result of them. This isn't about wishful thinking, but about harnessing the power of your thoughts to influence your reality. It's about creating a mindset that believes in the possibility of achieving improved health. So, in a nutshell, the law of attraction and affirmations are two sides of the same coin. They both pivot on the belief that your thoughts can shape your world. So, keep affirming, keep believing, and you'll be amazed at how these positive affirmations can bring about the change you desire. Affirmations and the law of attraction go hand in hand in manifesting your wellness goals. We've covered a lot today, haven't we? We dove into the science behind affirmations, exploring how they work to shape our minds and bodies. We shared 15 powerful I am affirmations, each one a beacon guiding us on the path to improved health. We also discussed the optimal times and methods for using these affirmations, whether it's through listening or speaking them out loud. And of course, we touched upon the law of attraction, a universal principle that brings our affirmations to life. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into practice. Start shaping your health with these affirmations, and remember, consistency is key. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and let's spread the power of positive affirmations. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Remedy Seeker, ensuring you won't miss out on more health tips and remedies. Join us on this journey towards better health. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, keep seeking remedies.